Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about Laravel 8 logs. So if you want to store any specific request, any middleware, something whenever you need to capture that particular data, suppose which user logged in, and so you want to store data and which user clicked on the particular this function, so we can make also this kind of activities. Suppose we have the multiple blocks, multiple blocks we have, okay, and you want to which user have the click on the specific block basically. Okay, so how you can get it? So here we have the logs, we can store in the logs files. Also if you want to store inside of the database also, you can store in the database also. So in Laravel 8 has an amazing feature, so I am going to show you. We have already created one logs. Let me show you. Suppose we have the log route here. Let me show you. Yes, we have the log route here, and we have the created basically one middleware. Okay, so which is log route. So inside of the log route we are doing here we can checking basically app.environment local. Then we basically storing inside of the inside the log files also, which this particular methods variable we are storing. Suppose we have the URI method, and we have the request and request body and response we are storing inside of the log files. Okay, here also we need to import this one for cards. And once you create a once you create a middleware, you need to store inside of the kernel file. Where is the kernel? This one here you need to store. So I have created here, you can check here log route. Okay, so if you want to make a example right now, so I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm going to refresh this one. Yes, I have refreshed the page. Now I'm going to inside a log folder. You can check we have the log, and we have the request, this one, full URI, we have method, we have request body. Here we can check where we have the response something. So we are storing everything is here. So now how we can do that? Okay, we are applying from the middleware here. Okay, we can checking from here. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to create new one, log set system something I'm going to create. Okay, let me create one middleware which is log session. Okay, so I'm going to hit this one, log session. So where is log session? Let me show you. We have the middleware, log session. Okay, so inside of the log session I'm going to inside the log session I am going to create let me I'm let me show you again. Here we are, and now we need to create basically request and response some things. Okay, so now I am going to here create one variable response. Okay, once we created the response variable, I'm going to pass here next. We need to pass here next, and here we need to write request, dollar request, and I'm going to click here, and here if app environment is local, okay, then we are creating one log, and here we storing all method like this one. Okay, suppose we have here URI, okay, and here we storing a particular request. Also we are storing here basically get URI. Inside the get URI we going to here request URI, and also I'm going to store method. Here we're going to write here get method get method, and here we're going to use request body. Suppose I'm going to type here as a body. Basically this one is a request body, and here I am going to use as a all request, any kind of request like get and post and put and delete, any kind of method. And here we're going to use response. Okay, so here we can use as sorry, we need to write here response get content, sorry, get content. Okay, so we are storing this one, and now hit here, and we need to use store inside of the log scope resolution operator info, and here we need to write JSON, basically JSON encode, and here we need to write log. Okay, then we need to return here as a response, return response. Okay, so now we need to use in here. Okay, so I think so this one is use illuminate. Here we need to write support, then here brackets, and here we need to write logs. Okay, so now this is fine. Then we have created basically middleware, and now we are storing inside of the log. And okay, so now what we need to do here, let me use this one here, and we need to store inside of the kernel. Okay, so here I'm going to use here, I'm going to write here log session. Also we can put here, but make sure I'm going to create this one is gaps. Where is this one? Let me open that file, rename the file. Basically this is a proper standard basically, so I'm going to put here. Now what we need to do here, we have the created middleware, and also this middleware we already registered in here, so we have created log session. Then let me go inside of my route, and I want to use middleware once this particular function routes will hit, middleware. Here we need to register like this one, we have already done that. Look, so now log session, then we need to reuse this one set. Yes, let me show you logs file, Laravel.log. look, we have this kind of request. Okay, so we getting this kind of IDs and request and something. Okay, so this is working fine, and if you have any doubt related to this video, please let me know so I can create another video. Thank you for watching this video.